Today we will learn how to convert minutes in seconds. We know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now 7 minutes is given. We need to convert this in seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore, 7 minutes is equal to 60 into 7 seconds. 420 seconds. So what we did over here, we know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So to find 7 minutes is equal to 60 into 7 seconds. That is equal to 420 seconds. So 7 minutes is equal to 420 seconds. Let me give you another example. 11 minutes. We need to convert 11 minutes to seconds. 11 minutes is equal to 60 into 11 seconds. 11 6, 66. 660 seconds. So 11 minutes is equal to 660 seconds. So this is how we do the conversion of minutes in seconds. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe Math Only Math for more videos. Thank you.